I'm John Hanna, and here are the CDTV.net dividend report for Wednesday, February 4th, 2009. But first, here's today's CDTV.net top stories. Merck & Company Incorporated reported fourth quarter 2008 GAAP EPS of 78 cents with worldwide sales of $6 billion, a decrease of 3% over the fourth quarter of 2007. Wall Street analysts expected 74 cents and revenue of $5.98 billion. Worldwide sales were $23.9 billion for full year 2008, a decrease of 1% over full year 2007. Merck also announced a full year 2008 GAAP EPS of $3.64. Richard T. Clark, Chairman, President, and Chief Executive Officer, said the quarterly and yearly results we reported reflect both the challenges we faced in 2008 and the benefit of our broad product portfolio. Richard T. Clark continued, in 2008, we improved efficiencies, managed through a dramatically changing industry environment, and took actions designed to better position Merck for success. And we did so during a very difficult and unsettling time for the U.S. and global economies. Merck reaffirmed its expectation for full year 2009 revenue to be in the range of $23.7 billion to $24.2 billion, adding that based on current information, revenues are likely to be in the lower half of the range. The company also reiterated its expectations for 2009 GAAP EPS range of $2.95 to $3.17. UPS announced adjusted diluted earnings per share of 83 cents for the fourth quarter, a 22% decline from the $1.07 adjusted diluted earnings per share for the same period last year. Analysts surveyed expected earnings of 85 cents a share. Chairman and CEO Scott Davis said the severe decline in economic activity around the world resulted in sharply lower package and freight volumes for UPS. Scott Davis added, consequently, we're making the tough decisions necessary to adapt our enterprise to today's realities. This includes changes in organizational structure, compensation, and network configuration. Kurt Cohen, UPS Chief Financial Officer, about the outlook of the company said, visibility into the future has become increasingly difficult given the enormous amount of economic uncertainty around the world. Kurt Cohen added, therefore, UPS will provide guidance only for the first quarter, which is earnings per share within a range of 52 cents to 68 cents. And now, the dividend report. United States Steel Corporation announced that the Board of Directors declared a dividend of 30 cents per share on U.S. Steel common stock. The dividend is payable March 10 to stockholders of record at the close of business, February 11, 2009. United States Steel Corporation produces steel products. M.D.C. Holdings Incorporated announced that its board of directors has declared a regular quarterly cash dividend of 25 cents per share on the company's common stock. The dividend will be paid on February 25th to share owners of record on February 11, 2009. Since 1972, M.D.C. Holdings Incorporated has built and financed the American dream for more than 150,000 families. Zions Bancorporation Board of Directors declared a regular quarterly dividend of 4 cents per common share payable February 25th to shareholders of record on February 11, 2009. This is a reduction from the prior quarter dividend of 32 cents per common share. Zions Bancorporation is one of the nation's premier financial services companies, consisting of a collection of great banks in select high-growth markets. Legg Incorporated announced that its board of directors has declared a regular quarterly cash dividend on its common stock in the amount of 24 cents per share. The dividend is payable on April 13 to shareholders of record at the close of business on March 12, 2009. Legg Mason is a global asset management firm with $842 billion in assets under management as of September 30, 2008. The Kroger company announced that its board of directors declared a quarterly dividend of 9 cents per share to be paid on March 1st to shareholders of record as of the close of business on February 13, 2009. Kroger is one of the nation's largest retail grocery chains. For more information about these dividends and other announcements, go to cdtv.net.